Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x plus arctanx of x. So we do first derivative for the both sides. We have 1 plus 1 over 1 plus s squared. And we put inside the square brackets. And we have the s. Number 1, that is about 1 plus s squared over 1 plus s squared. So this one plus this one, and we will have 2 plus s squared over 1 plus s squared. Now we go back in here. So this one in here, we change for u. This one in here, we change for du. The integration of 5 to the power of u, we have 5 to the power of u over L and 5. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.